Alright, so today I'm at Letchworth Village in New York. I'm here with a couple of friends. The insides of all of these buildings are super messed up. There's paper all over the place. All the drywall is peeling off. But a lot of these buildings on the outsides look really cool. It's got a lot of nice stonework. And also, as you guys can see behind me, this building has like totally fallen in. It's probably blown out behind me. But anyway, it's definitely going to make for some good drone footage. Alright, so right now I'm on my third battery of the day. I've got a total of 4 Mavic batteries with me. I'm going to try to save the last one because across the street there is a huge smokestack, and of course I love flying my drone around smokestacks. They actually tore down the smokestacks I used to fly around back near my home. I'm going to make a full video on that, but I'm pretty distraught about them tearing down my favorite place to fly, which again, you guys will see a video from that. But anyway, I've been able to get a lot of good footage today, but it's just been very, very, very windy. So check out this shot right here. As you guys can see, I'm flying backwards, and I flipped it into sport mode just because I thought it'd be awesome to fly backwards as fast as possible. But for some reason, the drone went haywire and would kind of wobble around back and forth, and of course, the gimbal didn't like that. So I'm sure if I was flying my Phantom 4 Pro, it probably wouldn't have been that big of a deal, but because the Mavic is a little bit smaller, it really can't handle the higher wind speeds that well. So anyway, I figured I'd just kind of give you guys a quick update. Also, for those of you wondering, Letchworth Village, this was a place for people with disabilities, no matter what age you were, from being an infant all the way up to older people. And it seems like a lot of these buildings, again, are really destroyed inside, which is a shame. And I'm actually kind of starting to not feel good when I walk in there. Like, I feel like I've been going to too many of these places with like asbestos, and it's just like really, really messing with me. So anyway, enjoy some more drone footage. Alright, so shooting is done for today. A couple things I took away from today's trip. While I loved being able to carry around the Mavic in my regular backpack, I really wish I brought the Phantom 4 Pro, even though it's a little bit broken, which, by the way, I didn't give you guys a proper update on that. It looks like I'm going to have to send it back because it's really just not flying right. But anyway, Letchworth Village was so awesome. I really wasn't able to capture everything in one single day, so I'll definitely have to come back with my friends and shoot some more with my drone. But guys, hope you enjoyed the video, and as always, I'll talk to you later. Peace.